Katanat Food and Civil Supplies jonga Sorkar Jylla kala Kyntu ki nong Shillong jonga Jylla ki bla yo jimen toy naka National Food Security Act NFSE arja arpulai lani ki bla yo ki Ration Card ban yo khau man lo banai ban Pynïasoh no ki Ration Card jong ki bot ki Aadhaar card. Haganok pai singi jonga khatlai trik unai wing arja arpulai katanat hak jingelam jong uba coming one bon ubari menteri bakmi ka u commissioner but secretary katanat upravin bakshi kilawan chikman ban pun sngoy kani ka phang lingba kilat pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club. Uba coming one bon ulaong pada kajing Pynïasoh Ration Card baru Aadhaar kan pelat na kajing lait thok pat ban pun long ru bagi badi ban yo jimun toy kinom sha kani ben ya ka hok jongki.
This is important today because of what food security as a concept mean to the people of the state and to the nation at large. Through this food security campaign, the Department of Food and Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Government of Meghalaya aims to inform and educate so that everyone understand the various aspects of National Food Security Act and how it's ensured that the poorest of the poorest in the country have access to food grain at a very affordable price. We want to reach out to our key stakeholders, which include all the beneficiaries of the NFSA, our fair price shop dealers and community dealers, so that together we can reach our ultimate goal of zero hunger. Awareness is a key if you are to achieve this, and the participation of the members of the press is crucial. The National Food Security Act entails many things. People need to know more about AAY and PHH Ration Card, who qualifies for the card. They need to know about One Nation, One Ration Card, which is a scheme that enables beneficiaries to collect their entitled food grain anywhere in the country by just sending their Aadhaar card to their ration card. The Aadhaar card is becoming very important in various aspects of life. For any citizen of India, it makes things very convenient, and this is true when it comes to food security and the public distribution system also. The department has also collaborated with the UN World Food Programme to ensure that we meet our objectives of ending hunger. Having said all that, I would just like to stress on the fact that everything that we do need collective effort. We all need to actively participate in this campaign everywhere in the world. Food security is one of the noblest causes. However, it is only success if everyone participates and contributes to the process. I would like to thank our friend from the media for being here. Let us work together in spreading the word so that the people who benefit from the National Food Security Act are the ones who truly deserve it.
Yes, sir.
No, there is no last date for this Aadhaar sitting. I think just now we have the workshop. We call all the deputy commissioners of the district. We ask them to improve this Aadhaar sitting. As of now, you see, we cross around 69% I think hopefully by the end of this year, maybe we can achieve 100% targeted. This is not necessary, not mandatory to all, but the government of India is pressing us to link this to do the Aadhaar seeding because they want to transform the PDS system. Because through Aadhaar, there is no duplicacy, there is no, that is the main thing for this Aadhaar. Last time we happened in the Social Welfare Department. They didn't link the Aadhaar. The government of India, they cut the allocation of the material. But even in the supply department also, if the people, they don't link because the government of India, they're trying to do the transparency. Even from our government also, we want the transparency. That's why we request all the beneficiaries to do the Aadhaar seeding. You see, every time we maintain the quality should be okay.
No, so this, just to add to what sir has said, there is a system of sample checking at various level. So this rice which is coming, it is coming through Food Corporation of India. It is rice which may have been milled in Punjab and some other state, and by rail head it comes to the point in Guwahati. From there, by truck and by carriage, it gets transported to all the states. So there are various levels of checking in Punjab when the milling is done, when it is packed, then when it will reach here in Guwahati, sample checks are being done. Then when it is lifted by the wholesale dealers, then also it is not done, the lifting is not done just at the level of the wholesale dealers. There has to be some SI or some person who is in charge of lifting from the Food and Civil Supplies Department who are also there. And finally, at the level of FPS also, if due to some reason, because it has to travel from a very long distance, maybe because of rain, because of weather, some reason or the other, it may get spoiled also. FCI has told very clearly that they are willing to lift the complete amount of rice which may be spoiled due to some reason. They have given a word to Honorable Minister sir in a meeting chaired by yes, sir. The GM of Food Corporation is that any place, any time there is some any kind of complaint that the rice is not as per the standards or quality, it should be seized and kept like that, and it can be exchanged with Food Corporation of India, and good quality rice will be given in exchange. So now the public have become very, very aware. So if anybody is given rice which is not of certain quality, he will not take, first of all. Number two, we have a vigilance and monitoring committee. So village headmen and Asha and other people, they are part of the village, the FPS level vigilance and monitoring committee. So they are also able to check and raise any complaint. And then we have said that through the various TC supply, SDO supply offices, they also have this yes, sir, they have the teams which can go off and on. So it is being checked.
Well, we try to educate our people because through Aadhaar we can get the transparency. You see, last time Government of India, after getting the Aadhaar, I think more than 10,000 crore, they saved money of their department because of the Aadhaar. So many duplicacy like Ration Card and all. Because of this Aadhaar, I think the Government of India is at more than 10,000 crore something. This Aadhaar means to get the transparency, to get everything, no? That is the aim of the department, to request the beneficiaries to do the Aadhaar setting.